Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. The news read by Zainab. First headlines. Police restored to a button charge and fired tear gas on hundreds of teachers when they were marching on the residence of Prime Minister Imran Khan in Bani Gala. Minister of Defense Zubaida Jalal opened another official border crossing point with Iran. The federal government has informed the Islamabad High Court that meet to the requirements of the International Civil Aviation Organization. The authorities have reviewed license of all 860 commercial pilots and after through a surrogatory cancel only 50 of them. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) is not a threat to British interests. China will soon begin coronavirus inoculation for workers in healthcare and border control. The new President of America, Joe Biden, appointed Pakistani Nisar Ali Zaidi as Deputy Advisor of Environment in White House. The economies of Asia and Pacific must put water security on top of their post-COVID-19 agenda and adapt to climate change. 87 more people died due to coronavirus over the last 24 hours. Study reveals over 41% COVID-19 medical staff faced violence. 10 staff may close coronavirus ward next week. Pakistan has lost second T20 match against New Zealand by 9 wickets. Very cold weather is in the country. Due to very coldness, there is shortage of gas in most of the cities. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Please like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.